Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about hard turn. In our earlier videos, we have seen when we want to turn, we can change the speed of one motor, and that will ensure that we are able to take a turn. And that turn looks like this. So if you see, while turning, we have a curvature here. And some of our requirements, we cannot have the curvature. We want to turn on the spot. We want a sharp turn. So if I am going this way and I want to turn and go this way, I don't want any curvature here. I want a sharp turn. And in such cases, we employ hard turn. Let's consider we have these two wheels joined by the shaft and we want to take hard turn. And that means we have traveled up to this place straight line and we want to turn and we want to go this side. So if you see the center of these wheels, the shaft which is connecting the wheels, the center of that should stay at same place when we turn. How to achieve that? So for that, let's see this. So I have this wheel, and if I turn this wheel, it should turn like this. And now it is in this side and it is going here. So we are moving this wheel forward. This wheel has gone here, and this wheel which was here has gone here. So it has turned backwards. So to turn right, this left wheel is going to go forward. So for turning right, left wheel has to go forward. And the right wheel has to go reverse. And this way we achieve a hard right turn. And for hard left turn, right wheel forward and left wheel backward. And that will ensure that we turn hard left. So now let's see how do we do that in M block. So in M block, we already have a block for that. Hard right turn, hard left turn. Here we have to ensure that the speeds should be equal. When we are doing hard right or hard left turn, the speeds must be equal. If the speeds are not equal, it will convert itself into a soft turn, a curved turn. So to get a sharp turn, which does not have any curves, which turns on the spot, we need to ensure we use these blocks, hard right turn and hard left turn, and at the same time we keep the speeds same. 255, 255. If I want less speed, 200, 200, but the speeds have to be same. And internally, what this is doing is it is taking the left wheel forward and the right wheel backward, whereas this one is taking left wheel backward and right wheel forward.